Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, it's going to be kind of funny because every time I see these stories floating around on social media, I find them hilarious. Okay, very hilarious. And this one is no different. As you guys know, a lot of Jamaican men like to talk about how them not eat pum pum. This topic is rated mature for mature audience only. Anyways, a lot of Jamaican like to talk about how them not eat pum pum. They don't eat the cat, they don't eat the meat, and the woman them attack and woman they say it's false. They're telling lies because I know so I go in the bedroom, and this one is no different. It says, I have a man that I've been living with for almost 2 years. So that means that I'm bona fide woman. Them live together, them stay together for 2 years. He said he doesn't eat the cat, and when we have sex, he eats the cat. When we're finished having sex and we are talking about how great it was, he would feel some type of way, like he doesn't want to hear that he ate the cat. I'm wondering if he is in denial about eating, or he is afraid about what others think. What are your thoughts or views on this? A lot of Jamaican men do not like to talk about it because of societal pressure, societal views. You know, the whole talk about Batman number one, all these things. That has been a very big issue in our society, and quite frankly it has been a whole lie since the since the beginning of time, with this whole Batman number one, man number one, all these things, man no wash panty. Like, the whole scenario there is just a big lie, because a lot of Jamaican men do, because if they didn't, Jamaican women will not return the favor. Half of them are not idiot, half of them they're not dumb. Like, stop it. And a lot of men do it, and they do it to their personal, them bona fide woman with them deal with for years. Them not gonna do it with just some floozy, some butterfoot, butter ears girl with them meet yesterday, with them just want a one ride offer, and that's it. So you have to be on a commitment level with them for them to actually do it, for them to actually reciprocate the favor, and that is quite understandable. Nobody no one just put them face in and just anything. They don't know where it has been, where it has gone, or where it's going. So that is very understandable. Let's go into the comments. It says shy bowas goodly dip on the ends as a bad man on your front. What is done in the house, let it stay in the house. Man no want him friends them know that him sucky. He's definitely in denial, but let him know there is no shame in pleasing you. And that is great advice right there. A lot of the times they feel uncomfortable because they have never talked about it before, and they're definitely not talking about it to them friends on the ends at all. So it's okay to tell them, like, it's okay to talk about it. It's okay to like talk about it with me. You don't have to talk about it with nobody else, but it's okay to talk about it with me. Okay, you know how they get, they say people have out of body experience, it's an out of the tongue experience him have. These people, it's 2019 and still no one cares if you want eat punani. He's supposed to anyways, he is your man, I hope you do it, Joe, and feel proud of whatever he's doing. Typical hypocrite. And nowadays this is a thing that ticks me off. Them come around and burn out eating, and behind closed door them have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Somebody say I know everything good for eat, good for talk, but I suggest you stop talk about it after sex before him stop. Anyways, if he stopped, that would be his business and his issue. Just don't reciprocate the favor. Anyways, Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that some of these men are in denial that they do it, or them just erase it from their memory that they do it? Like, do you think that they have a case of amnesia when it comes on to stuff like that, or they're just afraid to talk about it because they have never spoken about it before? It's just something that they do with them personal woman. They don't really talk to them friends about it, or they can't talk to them friends about it, or because they won't get shame, or they're gonna feel bad, or they won't get made fun of. Do you think that a woman needs to step in and actually take the reins and say it's okay to talk about it? You don't have to talk about it with nobody else. It's okay to talk about it with me. What are your thoughts on that? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.